Welcome to the Advanced iLearn tutorial for using lessons. This video will go more in depth into the design and organization of your lessons page. Please view our previous video regarding lessons to learn how to add content to your course using the Lessons tool. There are multiple options that you can use in order to change the design of the lessons page to allow for easy navigation and access to course content. You can add content above previously created sections by clicking on a plus sign on the lessons page. You will be presented with the menu to add additional content to this specific location of the page. You can edit any specific item on the lessons page by clicking the pencil icon next to the corresponding item you would like to adjust. A menu will appear that is specific to the item, allowing you to edit or change text or links. You can set the lessons page to include breaks to allow for easy reading and management. To add column or section breaks, click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the object where the break should begin. The break will be placed above the selected point. By adding a section break, the content will be split horizontally, while a column break will break it into two columns vertically. After you have added either a column or section break, a new button will appear at the top left of the section. This will allow you to rejoin the adjacent two sections into one. After the breaks have been added, you will have additional options to customize each section. To do this, click on the column icon at the top left of the section. You can choose to double the width of the column, create two columns within this section, change the color scheme, or give the column a title and make it collapsible. Adding subpages will make it easier for students to navigate through multiple pages within the Lessons tool. To add subpages, click on Add Content, then Add Subpage. A menu will appear allowing you to add a title to the page. You can also choose to create a new lessons page which will appear on the left menu. However, this is not recommended as it can clutter the left menu and confuse students. You can reorder tools on the lessons page by clicking Reorder. You can click on any of the items and drag and drop it in the order you would like for it to appear. If you click on the red X, the item will be deleted. Click Save once you are satisfied with the changes. You can also copy items from one page to another easily. To do so, on the new page, click Reorder. Then click Add Items from another page. Then choose the page that has the content you would like to move and click Use Selected Item. All the items will appear and they can be reordered and deleted as necessary. If you have any further questions regarding design capabilities in lessons, please contact the Office of Digital Education.